A guilty pleasure? Think again. Many people think of chocolate as a treat, something to be enjoyed occasionally and often with a hint of guilt. But did you know that dark chocolate can actually be good for you? Yes, you heard that right. That's right. Dark chocolate, especially the kind with a high percentage of cocoa, has numerous health benefits that might surprise you. It's not just about satisfying your sweet tooth. It's about nourishing your body with essential nutrients and antioxidants. In the following sections, we'll explore the science-backed benefits of incorporating dark chocolate into your diet. From boosting heart health to enhancing brain function, dark chocolate has a lot to offer. Dark chocolate is more than just a delicious indulgence. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be discovered. So, get ready to discover how this beloved treat can become your secret weapon for a healthier and happier you. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of dark chocolate together. Dark chocolate is rich in compounds called flavonoids, which are naturally occurring substances found in various plants. These natural substances are powerful antioxidants that can improve heart health in several ways, making dark chocolate a surprisingly beneficial treat. They help lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease, by promoting the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels. Flavonoids also improve blood flow by helping blood vessels relax, ensuring that blood circulates more freely throughout your body. This enhanced circulation ensures that your heart receives a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, which is essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. By reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow, dark chocolate helps your heart work more efficiently and reduces the risk of heart-related issues, such as heart attacks and strokes. This delicious treat is a simple and enjoyable way to give your cardiovascular system a boost. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider a piece of dark chocolate for both its taste and its heart-healthy benefits. Beyond its physical benefits, dark chocolate offers a wealth of mental and emotional advantages. Dark chocolate can also impact your mood and brain power in remarkable ways. The flavonoids in dark chocolate have been shown to boost cognitive function, including memory and focus. These powerful antioxidants help improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing its performance. This means that enjoying a piece of dark chocolate can actually help you think more clearly and remember things better. It's like a delicious brain booster that you can savor anytime. Additionally, dark chocolate contains compounds that stimulate the production of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. These compounds can help elevate your mood and make you feel happier. These endorphins create feelings of pleasure and well-being, making dark chocolate a tasty way to combat stress and uplift your spirits. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your emotional health. So next time you're feeling down or need a mental boost, reach for a piece of dark chocolate and experience the positive effects for yourself. Indulge in this delightful treat and feel the difference it can make in your day. Section 4. Fighting free radicals with flavonoids. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various health problems. Antioxidants, like the flavonoids found abundantly in dark chocolate, neutralize these harmful free radicals. This antioxidant activity helps protect your body from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. By incorporating dark chocolate into your diet, you're providing your body with a powerful defense system against these damaging molecules. The high concentration of antioxidants in dark chocolate makes it a valuable ally in maintaining cellular health and promoting overall well-being. Section 5. Choosing the right chocolate for you. Not all dark chocolate is created equal. To reap the health benefits, it's crucial to choose wisely. Look for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70% or higher. The higher the cocoa content, the more flavonoids and the less sugar it contains. Avoid dark chocolate that is overly processed or loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, or unhealthy fats. Opt for brands that prioritize quality ingredients and minimal processing. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, so make choices that align with a healthy lifestyle. Section 6. Indulge smarter, not harder. Dark chocolate offers a delightful way to improve your health and well-being. By incorporating this treat into your diet mindfully, you can enjoy its delicious flavor and reap its remarkable benefits. Remember to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's signals. And here's a special tip pairing. Dark chocolate with a handful of nuts can further enhance its health benefits. The combination of antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber creates a powerhouse snack that satisfies your taste buds and nourishes your body.